So here's the thing. Every backend framework out there claims to be the best. Express says it's lightweight and flexible. Django says it's batteries included. Rails says it's developer happiness. But then Spring Boot walks in and says, "I'm enterprise, baby." And that's when the game changes. Because while other frameworks are flexing about how simple they are, Spring Boot is out here running billion-dollar systems, handling millions of requests a day, without even breaking a sweat. Let's be honest. Learning Spring Boot feels like entering a boss fight. You install one dependency and suddenly your project has 14 subfolders, 6 annotations, and a log file longer than your resume. But once you get it, you start to realize why this monster dominates the backend world. Spring Boot isn't just a framework. It's a full ecosystem. Security, databases, REST APIs, testing, microservices. It has it all. And it all just works together. No NPM drama, no version mismatches, no, "Wait, which package manager are we using today?" Nonsense. Meanwhile, Express developers are busy debugging middleware spaghetti. Django devs are wrestling with migrations from 2018, and Rails devs are praying their gems still work after the next update. Spring Boot developers, they're sipping coffee while their system scales automatically in production. And the best part, Spring Boot is built for serious devs. You can go from a small REST API to a full microservice architecture without rewriting everything. It's like going from a go-kart to a Formula One car without changing the steering wheel. Now don't get me wrong, Express, Django, Rails, they're awesome. But they were designed for fast prototyping. Spring Boot was designed for war. And in the real world, where uptime, scalability, and security actually matter, war-ready frameworks win. So, yeah, maybe Spring Boot isn't trendy. Maybe it doesn't look cool on your GitHub README. But when your app survives 10,000 concurrent users without crashing, you'll know exactly why Spring Boot destroys every other backend framework.